Hi folks, this is a video showing the functionality of an Underwood number 5 that's up for sale on eBay. This model, or this particular typewriter, is from 1915, and as you can see, quite beautiful. Very, very well kept and maintained. I have done a bit of cleaning to get the dust off of it, but you may not have cleaned out the inner workings as well as you may want to. I would note that we've got some feet here that very likely should get replaced. And we have a missing foot on the side over here. So that will need to get replaced. This particular one is cracked. I would say that this cover for the knob is nice and loose. However, there's no problem turning the actual knob. So I'll leave that. See if I can put that back on. There we go. Oh yeah, finished the tour. So very, very nice condition by its owner. And as you see, quite an old model. So let's go over here and show you some of the workings of the keys. These work very well, with the exception of my friend letter J, who does like to get hung up. But all of the other, oops. Apparently there's another one that's a little sticky, but everything else works well. I would show you the print, but it's a pretty dry ribbon, so a little difficult to see what is what. Okay, and of course we can do shifting. Got working changes there. See if I can do this without completely, okay, so I can at least move it for you a little bit that way and back that way. So it travels well. Really haven't noticed much in the way of any sticking. But let's go on and take this paper out. As all of you typists are probably wanting me to never type for you again. Okay, so let's take a look at the top. So as you see, Underwood. Still probably a little bit more cleaning I can do, and I will do that, but I would highly suggest cleaning this when you get it home. The metal pieces are in generally good condition. A little bit of wear spot just below the keyboard. You'd expect that. See, there's our bell. Yeah, sorry if I'm making you dizzy. I'm trying to give you an opportunity to look. Okay, so thanks for taking a look at the video. If there's anything in particular you want to see more of, have questions about, let me know. Thanks. Bye.